welcome to another video. Remember the last time when I made this drawer? It didn't look that bad. Let me show you how bad it really is. Now at first glance you might not see it, but when you take a closer look, this part here is that far off, and here this part is inside. Sometimes it stalks, but if you hit it hard enough, it eventually will go inside. You see, it's moving just a little slow. Now the problem that I'm facing right now is I don't have a square cabinet, but I want a square drawer. So I need to make sure that the drawer fits into a not so square cabinet. How do I do that? Now how do I make sure that this side is perfectly parallel to the other side? Here, on this side. Do you see it? The solution would be a scrap piece. If you don't have a scrap piece, then you're probably not into woodworking. Cut it to fit perfectly inside and see if it also fits inside the cabinet. You know what? Let's just try it. Now I've got this piece which fits in just perfectly with a little bit of stretching, but it's fine. And then now let's see how far I can even put it inside. You can even hear it. There is a lot of space between the two. If I hold it just straight. These pieces here. One is, this specific part is 1.89 millimeters. That should be good because it almost stays in place. Maybe I need a second piece. Try again. Okay. Now I know exactly how much pieces I need, and let's assemble this extension part. 98.5, 98.5. It's wholly square, right? Now that I'm square, I need to build the drawer itself. Let's go! Amazing! Oh my god! Dust everywhere. Okay. Amazing. Wow. Only took me 2 hours with the filming. Oh. Look who has drawers. It's me. And they work all perfectly fine. And this one as well. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video and stay tuned till the next time. One more thing.